Hi everyone, it's Dustin. It's me from Chic. So hello, glad you're tuning in. Today I'm doing a reveal of an iPhone 10. So I just got it today in the Verizon bag. And to be clear, they open it for you and they do stuff to it. So they put a screen protector on it for me, but I haven't actually opened the box. So I can't wait to show you. So this is all my goodies I got. Verizon gave me a good deal on a charging station with it. So there's a deal today where they had all kinds of stuff that's free. Comes with it. Here's my iPhone case they popped out and put in my bag. And then I've got a glass protector, which was great. So it's like glass plus. And then of course the iPhone. So I ended up with the discount to my whatever and doing the 3-for deal. It ended up only cost me $40, and really that's cheaper than the wireless charging stand because you don't get that with this. So it's pretty awesome. I got all this added to mine for around $40, which was a big savings. It's a huge deal they got going on right now. But that's not why you're here. You want to see the iPhone. So I've got it. I want to show you the unboxing. It's pretty nice. I got the 256 gig. It's an iPhone 10, and you can see all the info there. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. I've already gotten a look at it, but it's all put back for us two together, so I haven't been through this. Oh, it's cut on. There it is. You can see with this beautiful screen. So there it just says I'm in there. That's great. So I'm on. And it's a very different feel. Look at that. There's the iPhone itself. It's sleek. The camera, oh, look at that. The different sensors in the thing. It's got 2 camera lenses there. They say it's really great in dark. And then you've got that screen. That's pretty amazing. Look at that screen. It goes all the way up there and all the way down here. I'm not real hip on the face recognition, but now it's face recognition versus thumbprint. I'm going to miss my home button. And then I learned this, everything like this, you have to do this with. So that's how you go home again, is you press that up. Everything else seems to work. And it says I got to finish, not now. I'm not going to do that right now with you guys. But there it is. It's very nice. Feels very weighty. I've got a case for that. So let's look at the goodies in here. All right. Of course, Apple with their beautiful stuff. You got your stickers again. There's their user guide and info, and then the basic. Welcome to the iPhone Face ID. It tells you about the home right there. It says, let's see if we can get this out here. Home button is swipe up. It's got the 3D touch. That's been tough for me, pressing harder on it and having a different level of pressure. Ring silent, volume buzz, tap to wake. Slide buttons, tips, power off, and SOS. It's really different. I've got the lightning connector, which I checked in my vehicle. It works just like my 6 SE Special Edition did. So it works with the same lightning connector, which is nice. And it's got wireless charging. Of course, now you don't have a port on these for your earphones and that kind of stuff, which I don't love because we do some video recording that requires that input, not just Bluetooth. So, oh, there it is. Tips for getting started. There's that. But you know, it doesn't have those holes. It's just got the lightning connector and an adapter you can get. Power button and 2 volume buttons and then mute on and off. That's just hard to get used to. So that's there. And then in here, you've got your power adapter, of course, like always. And I'm wondering, there's the cord under it, right there. And then you got your AirPods. Nope. Oh, with an adapter. Oh, look at that. So good. There's the adapter right here. So headphones work right there like that. That's something. And it looks like these are not AirPods. No, see, they are wired. Look at that. So that's not so bad. People told me wrong. Look there. You can use it. So just like the old ones. So I use my Bluetooth now with calling. And there's that. That's pretty I'm getting used to it. I'm okay. You know, I felt like they stole my cheese a little bit, but that works. So there's that. All right, and that's pretty much it for this. I mean, you've got to go in and you've got to set up your face recognition and everything when you get started. Let's see what it says with the welcome. Let you guys see that too. Turn off iPhone. So it says that you can do it in different ways. Completely turn off, press and hold side button, either volume button at the same time, then slide to power off. Oh, that's totally taking it out. Face ID. Quick glance at your iPhone X is all it needs to know. Securely unlock your phone. Use Apple Pay and more. Scared of this a little bit, guys. I don't like it as much as my thumbprint because I've watched Face ID work on different people, and it worked for 2 different people at the same time. Emojis. You can create custom animated messages. Oh my goodness. It's a bit over the top. You can tap to wake. That's nice. And then Apple Pay is real big. Yep. Multitasking, of course. We're used to that. To multitask and turn off the stuff, I've learned it's different. I may show you that in a minute. Ask Siri's the same. Go straight home. So we swipe up to go home. So I'm going to go home. And then I learned to multitask. I heard it was, I wonder if it's, nope. Let's see, that's not it. So, oh, I don't have stuff open. Let's open this, allow. Let's open this and allow. Open this and allow. Well, very different. There it is. You have to press down hard. So to take these out, you have to hold it down. You can't just swipe it. You gotta click it with the negative right there. So again, I'm learning this. I don't know if you guys are learning this or not, but this is challenging. Challenging stuff to get used to. But with that said, there it is. It's the new iPhone 10. The battery's much better, I can tell. I get 4 bars here where I usually only get 3 in my other phones. And I can tell it works better. I know that Apple's been penalizing people for having older phones. I can tell the difference between this and my 6E. And that's it. So anyways, that pretty much wraps us up. Thanks for watching Nerd Chic. Don't forget, subscribe. I want to, encourage you guys to, if you'll subscribe, it'll help me with YouTube to stay a partner. And then we'll keep you posted on stuff. Thanks so much. Have a great day.